So guys, welcome to H-QTV. Is your X account showing the wrong location? Maybe it says you're in another city, another state, or even inside the village if you are not there at all. In this video, I will show you the fastest way to fix inconsistent or wrong location on X in 2025. So what causes this wrong location? In short, maybe your phone location is off or inaccurate. Number two, X region or your Twitter region setting are not correct. The third one, you recently use a VPN or proxy to connect. And the fourth one is your S app cache is outdated. The fifth one, you switch network like Wi-Fi to mobile data. That's one can cause it. And the last one is maybe to update your Twitter app, so you can update it because of bugs, something like that. So how do you set your phone location? Go to your phone settings, go to your location. This is my location. Just turn it on like this. So once you turn it on, can see no app, can see app permission, can give the permission to any app. Your Twitter, for example, allow only while using the app. So like that. So you have given permission to your Twitter to use your location. So like this is going to fix it, though this is the first step. So let's move to the second one. Your X region are not correct. So this one has been fixed like this. So if this method doesn't work, we are going to use your X location. That is, let's go to your Twitter account. Go to your, this is your For You page. Click on your profile by the upper left side. Click on that. Click on settings and support. Click on settings and privacy. Once you click on that, go to privacy and safety. So after you click on settings and privacy, so go to privacy and safety and scroll down. You are going to see about your account. Click on that. So about my account, you are going to see your use country. So you are going to set it to use country. Come back to your For You page like this. Click on your profile. Go to profile and click on join June 2024. The days that I join on Twitter, click on that. It's going to bring something like you can see. So accounts based in Nigerian connected via Nigerian app. And if you click on the danger button in the front of the account based in, you are going to see something like this. Country or region may not be accurate. So you are going to just read that one of our partner has indicated that these accounts may be connecting via proxies such as VPN, which may change the country or region that is displayed on their profile. This data may not be accurate. Some internet provider may use proxies automatically without action by the user. So that's what it means. So let's move to this third one. You recently use a VPN or a proxy. So if you are using VPN, so I will say you should turn it off. Or if you are using maybe a strong proxy or VPN, I'm going to say turn it off. Turn it off. So that is that about VPN and proxy. Just turn it on. And the last one is maybe your S cache, your Twitter app cache has updated. How do you clear it? So click on your Twitter app like this, like maybe 30 seconds. Then click on the that button at the top of your Twitter app. Click on that at the top. So go to your storage. Then clear cache. You are going to see it here. So this is another step to fix inconsistent location on your Twitter accounts. And let's move to the first one. So if you are using maybe your mobile data, you can off that, and maybe you should use Wi-Fi. That's one can still fix inconsistent location on Twitter. Or you should off your Wi-Fi and turn on your mobile data. That's one can fix inconsistent location on Twitter also. So to also fix, I think this one will also work. Just make sure that close the app, your Twitter app, and open it again, you can still fix your inconsistent location after you do this method. And the last step, you should update your X account. So go to Google Play Store, X. So this is it now. Click on that. So update it. Just update it now. So I'm going to wait. So after you update your X account, just open it. So, and that is all the steps. So that is how to fix inconsistent or wrong location on X 2025. If this video help you, give us a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm going to see you in another video. Peace.